Hi there. On behalf of entire team ClickKosh, I want to welcome you to this demo video. Inside this video, we are going to demonstrate to you how exactly you can use ClickKosh to actually monetize your images, generate leads, generate sales on autopilot with the help of point-and-click interactive hotspot technology, which ClickKosh presents to you. Now, as soon as you log into ClickKosh, this is the dashboard screen which will be provided to you. You can see this says that 10 domains, you're provided with the 10 domains license. Then you can create unlimited interactive image hotspot campaigns with ClickKosh. Now for the first thing, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and add a domain. So you can click on add new. I have already added my domain, so I'll skip the step. You can just type in the name of the domain and you should be good to go. Now once you're done with that, you could go with the images part, where you can actually go ahead and add a new image from your system, or we have integrations with Designer Pro or Usign. You can actually go ahead and integrate them and directly import your images from Usign or Designer Pro 2 inside the ClickKosh. Now, once you actually go ahead and create a new campaign, you'll be asked to upload the image you want to monetize from your system. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's see, we want to go ahead and take this particular image and use it for one of our blog posts or inside one of our pages. We can go ahead and we can select the domain. I have only one domain right now. You could go to click on next. Now, as you come into this particular section here, you can actually add multiple hotspots on top of this particular image. Okay, you could see we have watermark. If you want to have watermark, we also have sound option if you want to enable sound. And we have different types of hotspots which are available. We have a standard hotspot, we have a text hotspot, we have image hotspot, we have image and description hotspot, we have only description hotspot, we have video hotspot, we have video with call to action, we have email sign up, we have email sign up with image. So there are 9 different types of hotspots which you can actually create with ClickKosh. Now let's go ahead and take one of the hotspots, and let's say with image and description, and let's take an icon and let's add the icon right here. Now as soon as you add the icon, the hotspot is right here. It's not visible right now because of the color. Let's change the color. Now we can see as soon as we change the color, it is visible. Now we can increase the size of the hotspot, we can increase the roundness as per our need. That's something which can be done. And we can also change the icon if we want to change any other icon. So there are tons and tons of icons which you can use with regard to ClickKosh. So as per your niche and business, you can choose the icon you would like. So let's take this icon. And then next thing what you could do is, if you go ahead and click on this particular hotspot, now you can edit and do the changes for this particular hotspot. Now I'll go ahead and choose an image for this particular part, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it a title. So let's give it a title, cut, and so let's say Sue Sequim Pocket Tea. Then we can go ahead and give the text color or the text what we want to write. So I have the text written with me. Then you can give the price description. You could actually say whatever the price is. Then you could actually have different types of call to actions. You can have a URL. You can have an email. Somebody can, just click and email you guys. And you can even have a phone number, and if somebody clicks on it, a call would be initiated from the FaceTime or whatever, Skype, if they have any phone application on their system. So this is all the 3 different types of call to actions which you can do. Right now, let's go for this particular demo. Let's take this particular part and let's take it and give it right here and say shop now. Let's say it's close, And we also have another hotspot which we can add, but for the sake of this demo, let's add just one hotspot, and let me show you how it looks like. So here we go. We have right here a beautiful hotspot created on top of this image, right? And you could see, and if you could go ahead and you could have a color and the dimensions and everything, and it's a really, really beautiful hotspot. And this is how you are able to go ahead and monetize your images with the help of ClickKosh 2.0. Now this is just one of the hotspots which I've shown you. You can do a lot more with the help of this. We have an image editor. If you want to go ahead and edit this image, you could use this editor, apply some great effects like Instagram and everything. And based on that, you can choose which effects you want to apply. All right. So that's just one part of the image editor. There are tons of things which you can do with this image enhancement technology, right? And all on top of it, you can add then hotspots. Now, other than that, what you can do is you can add a watermark as per your requirement if you want to add a watermark to the brand. And also you can go ahead and add a sound. Okay, and sound is in terms of there are lots of sounds which we have, and you could add a sound which when somebody clicks or hovers on the hotspot, depending on what you have chosen, the sound would play and the hotspot would open up. Now you could select whether you want to make this hotspot open up on a click, or you want to make it open on a hover. Both things can be done. These are just the customizations, and then you could go ahead and then you could say preview, and again you could see after all the changes we have done, this is how our image looks like. And then we could click on it, and you could see this is how beautiful the hotspot looks like. And if I click on it, of course it is going to take me to the URL which we actually took, and the person can come here and the person can shop, of course, right? So this is what we have at the heart of it, how you can place interactive hotspots. Now you can go ahead and create as many hotspots as you like on this, and you could even delete these hotspots if you don't want to actually go ahead and have these hotspots. So that's something which you have in terms of hotspots. Now let me quickly show you different kinds of hotspots, how they look. I've shown you just one right here. Let's go to another page and let's see. This is the most standard click hotspot, the most standard without any image, very plain hotspot. You could see this. Then we have another hotspots, which is I just showed you with description and image. Then we have this one at the same part, right? It's look pretty classy. Then we have another one, which is a video hotspot. So you can play videos inside your images, and you could even give call to actions on top of it. If you go ahead and click on it, you could have descriptions, you could have videos, and then you could have call to action as well inside the images, right? Monetizing it for you more and more. Then you can even go ahead and build your email list, okay, with the help of our lead generation hotspots. So you could see we could actually get free lead generation masterclass training with the image, and then you could submit name and email, and the person could submit, and you could redirect the people to the desired URL where you could actually give your freebie. Now you could go ahead and then download these leads as a CSV from ClickKosh, and you'll be save it to you. You can actually import it to your autoresponder. So these are different kinds of hotspots, major things which I've shown you right now, and all the settings. Other than that, you could go ahead and now you could just say save. The hotspot would be created. Now you also have the amazing part about ClickKosh is you will be able to know the effectiveness of this particular platform and the number of leads and sales it is going to drive for you. So if you go ahead and see this, we have deep analytics. We'll be able to see total views, engagement, title, hotspot, CTA clicks, and everything, whatever is going to happen with your hotspots. So we have pretty enhanced, kind of hotspots available right now for ClickKosh, and I cannot wait to see you use this particular platform to go ahead and monetize your images and bring more leads and sales for your particular business. We look forward to welcoming you, and you could actually scroll on this page for more details about all the features of ClickKosh 2.0. We look forward to welcome you.